If you've ever wanted to use a password manager with Face ID or biometrics for a quicker, safer login experience, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to set it all up step by step and why it makes managing your passwords a lot easier and more secure. Stick with me to the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using in this guide, which you can find in the description below. First things first, make sure you have a password manager app installed on your device. If you don't, download a trusted one from your app store. I've tried several popular options, but we'll be using our software today because it offers a seamless Face ID or biometric integration and an easy-to-use interface. Once you've got the software installed, open it up and log in with your master password. This is usually the one time you'll need to type it in. From there, we'll move to the settings. Look for the section on security or login preferences. This is where you'll enable Face ID or biometric authentication. For Face ID, simply select it as your preferred authentication method. If you're using a fingerprint scanner or another biometric method, choose that option instead. Some apps may ask you to confirm your identity with your face or fingerprint at this stage to ensure everything is set up correctly. After setting it up, you're good to go. From now on, when you open the password manager, you'll be able to unlock it with your face or fingerprint rather than typing your master password every time. This not only speeds up the process, but also adds an extra layer of security, as biometric data is much harder to hack than a password. You can now start adding your passwords or saving them directly from your browser. And with biometric login enabled, accessing your saved passwords will be instant and effortless. It's really that simple. Face ID or biometric authentication ensures both security and convenience when using a password manager. A key takeaway from today: setting up Face ID or biometrics in your password manager means faster access to your accounts and extra security that traditional passwords can't provide. Just make sure to enable it in your app settings, and you'll be able to unlock your password manager with just a glance or a touch. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software we use today. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it if you want to follow along. That's all for today. Stay safe online and keep your passwords secure with biometrics. Thanks for watching.